Unlocking the flavors, the world of salt-free seasonings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that's close to the hearts and palates of food lovers everywhere. We'll explore the meaning and significance of salt-free seasonings. Whether you're a culinary expert or just curious about cooking, understanding this phrase can add a new layer to your English vocabulary and your kitchen adventures. So, let's get started and unlock some delicious secrets. Salt-free seasonings are blends of herbs, spices, and other flavoring agents that do not contain salt. These seasonings are designed to add depth and complexity to dishes without increasing sodium content. This is especially important for individuals who are monitoring their salt intake for health reasons, such as those with high blood pressure or heart conditions. Common ingredients in salt-free seasonings might include garlic powder, onion powder, dried herbs like oregano or thyme, and spices such as paprika or turmeric. Choosing salt-free seasonings can be a health-conscious decision for many. Consuming too much salt can lead to health issues, making salt-free alternatives a wise choice. Additionally, these seasonings can help enhance the natural flavors of food, allowing the individual ingredients to shine through. They're also a great way to experiment with different cuisines and flavor profiles, encouraging a more adventurous approach to cooking and eating. Incorporating salt-free seasonings into your cooking is both easy and rewarding. Here are a few tips. Start small. If you're new to these seasonings, begin with a light hand and gradually add more to taste. Mix and match. Don't be afraid to combine different salt-free seasonings to create a custom flavor profile that suits your dish. Experiment. Use them in a variety of dishes, from meats and vegetables to soups and salads, to discover their versatility. Creating your own salt-free seasoning blend is not only fun but also allows you to tailor the flavors to your preference. Simply mix together your favorite herbs and spices in a bowl, adjust the quantities to taste, and store the blend in an airtight container. This can be a great activity to enhance your English vocabulary related to cooking and ingredients, as you learn the names of various spices and their descriptions. We hope this exploration into the world of salt-free seasonings has been as enriching for your vocabulary as it will be for your cooking. Remember, language learning is like adding seasonings to a dish. It's all about finding the right blend of elements to suit your taste. Keep experimenting with new words and phrases, and soon, you'll find your communication skills as flavorful and diverse as the finest cuisine. Thank you for joining us, and happy cooking and learning!